Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Upwork to set up your first paid proposal step by step clearly. Create an Upwork account by visiting the Upwork website and signing up. Fill in the necessary personal information, including your name, email, and password. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your Upwork account. Complete your profile by adding a professional photo, a catchy title, and a detailed summary of your skills. Select the services you want to offer and categorize them accordingly. Set your hourly rate or project-based pricing based on your skills and market research. Verify your identity by following the prompts to complete the verification process. Explore the Upwork platform to find potential projects that match your skills. Carefully read the job descriptions of the projects you're interested in. Create a proposal by clicking the Submit a Proposal button on the job listing. Customize your proposal by addressing the client directly and mentioning their specific needs. Include relevant samples of your previous work to showcase your experience. Clearly outline how you plan to approach the project and deliver results. State your timeline for completing the project and reassure the client of your commitment. Submit your proposal and keep an eye on notifications for any responses from clients. Be prepared to discuss the project further or answer any questions the client may have. Once your proposal is approved, start the project by following the agreed-upon terms and maintaining regular communication with the client. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.